Today's video will analyze this scenario. You're an officer who suspects that a stolen car is located in a residential backyard. The backyard you're looking for isn't visible from the street, but you believe that it may be visible from a neighbor's yard. You knock on the neighbor's door, and you receive consent from the neighbor to go into that neighbor's backyard. From the neighbor's backyard, you stand on a raised flower bed and can see the stolen car next door. You identify the stolen car by the license plate, which you can read from the neighbor's property. Did you commit an unlawful search? I'm Steve Serbalik. I'm a panel attorney for ASCOPS in Arizona, and this video will explore the concept of plain view, and I'll use that analysis to answer this scenario. In State versus Platt, a 1981 Arizona Court of Appeals case, officers investigating an armed robbery auto theft case received permission from a neighbor to enter the neighbor's property. When the officers were on the neighbor's property, they took pictures of the suspect's backyard, which they used to confirm that the suspect lived there. Afterwards, the officers obtained a search warrant based upon what they saw from the neighboring property. The suspect, Platt, moved to suppress the evidence, arguing that the officers had violated Platt's reasonable expectation of privacy in his backyard. The Arizona Court of Appeals disagreed and held that the officer had not infringed on Platt's Fourth Amendment rights because Platt did not own his neighbor's house. So the neighbor could allow the officers in to take pictures. And also, Platt's backyard was open to physical access and viewing from his neighbor's backyard. So Platt had no reasonable expectation of privacy in someone else looking in from the neighbor's property. All of this relates to the concept of plain view. Evidence discovered in plain view is not considered the product of searches, as long as officers see the evidence from a lawful position. In the scenario discussed, it's perfectly legal for officers to get permission to enter a neighbor's yard, so anything the officers see from the neighbor's yard is usable to develop probable cause. Now, there are likely limits as to how far the courts would go to allow officers to take advantage of this idea. If the suspect had taken steps to prevent neighbors from looking into the yard, like planting large trees for extra cover, or if the officers had engaged in unusual steps to see into the suspect's yard, like using a tall ladder or other extraordinary measures, courts may find that officers violated the suspect's rights. And nothing in these decisions allow officers to do something like get close to suspects' windows or to use night vision or other technologies to peer inside of any structures. So, with all of that said, now you know that officers can look into suspects' backyards from neighboring properties, as the areas in plain view to the neighbors are fair game for police to observe as well. If you have questions or comments about this video, or suggestions for another video topic, please leave them in the comment section below. And please share this video with other law enforcement officers that you think that it might help. Please like this video so the YouTube algorithm will show it to more interested viewers. And please subscribe for more law enforcement lesson videos. And click the notification bell so that you know when videos are released. Videos come out at 5:30 p.m. every Sunday, Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.